Hello students, I am Nand Kishore, your maths teacher. Welcome to my YouTube channel Build Up Maths. Today we are going to learn how to find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. We have a quadratic polynomial 2x square minus 8x plus 6. What is a quadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Here a, b and c are constant or x is a variable. Now before you start, make sure that the given polynomial is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Means given polynomial should be arranged in descending order of power of its variable. First term will be x square, middle term should be x and last term should be constant. Now what we have to do? We have to find a zero. We can easily find a zero if we factorize the polynomial. In the first term, coefficient of x square is a, in this case 2. In the middle term, coefficient of x is b, in this case minus 8. And last constant is c, in this case 6. We will multiply coefficient of x square and constant and write here. And here we write the coefficient of x. Multiply this 2 and 6, 2 6 12 we write here. And this minus 8 we write here. Now we have to think two numbers in such a way that if we multiply them, we get 12. And if we add or subtract them, we get minus 8. Factors of 12 are 6 and 2, 4 and 3 and 12 and 1. These are the three set of factors which satisfy first condition. According to second condition, on adding or subtracting them, we want minus 8. 12 plus 1 13, 12 minus 1 11. This will not work. 4 plus 3 7, 4 minus 3 1. This will also not work. 6 plus 2 8. Yes, this will work. So desired numbers are minus 6 and minus 2. In the first step, we will split the middle term or we will replace the middle term with minus 6x and minus 2x. After that, we will make group. First and second term will be in the first group and third and fourth term will be in the second group. What is common in the first two terms? If we will take 2x as common in the first term, x remains. And in the second term, minus 3 remains. What is common in the third and fourth term? If we will take minus 2 as common, in the third term, x remains. In the fourth term, minus 3 remains. Now observe this expression. It has two terms and both terms contain x minus 3. So we will take x minus 3 as common. In the first term, 2x will remain and in the second term, minus 2 will remain. So these are the two factors of given polynomial. Since we have to find zeros, so we will simply equate this polynomial to be 0. Means x minus 3 will be equals to 0 and 2x minus 2 will be equals to 0. X is equal to 3 and here 2x is equal to minus 2. It became plus 2. Then x is equal to 2 upon 2. X is equal to 1. Therefore, zeros of the polynomial are alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 1. Now in the second part of this question, we have to verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Given quadratic polynomial is 2x square minus 8x plus 6. On comparing given polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 6. Now we know that sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. We found the value of alpha is 3 and beta is 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to minus value of b is minus 8. Minus 8 upon 2. Here 3 plus 1 4 is equal to minus minus cancel out 2 4 ja 8. Now product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c upon a. 3 into 1 is equal to 6 upon 2. 3 1 ja 3, 2 3 ja 6. Since LHS is equal to RHS, hence relationship between zeros and coefficient verified.